Have you got the skills you need for the 21st century workplace? We need to develop a kind of skill to survive in the 21st century, some like ICT skills and knowledge of the digital world. Are the especially in school in the UK. Here are 5 plus above ones for you to think about. These are the sorts of skills that employers may ask you questions about in interviews. So it's a good idea to think about how good you are in these areas. What are your strengths and weaknesses? Imagination. In the age of technology that we are living in now, it is no longer enough to keep on making the same products. Employers need people you can imagine new approaches and new ideas. Think of an object or gadget you use every day. How could it be improved? Can you think of 3 improvements? Problem solving. Employers will value workers who are able to see problems before they happen and come up with creative solution. Imagine you are organizing an end of them social event at school. Think of some problems that you could face. Can you think of any solution? Communication skills. Work will have to be good communication. They will have to be able to negotiate and discuss key issues and also write in a clear way without using too many words. How do people communicate with each other in the 21st century? Critical analysis. Employers when works who are able to recognize the difference between information that can be believed and false information. Use the internet to find out 3 facts about a celebrity or famous figure. Can you verify the information by checking other websites? Decision making. Individual works have a growing amount of responsibility. It is important to be able to evaluate a situation and be confident in making a decision. Which 3 things could you do to A. Be healthier, B. Do better at school, and C. Help others. Make a decision not to do at least one of these things, then just do it.